Hello viewers, this is me Priya and I bring to you a roundup of all the excitement over the week in your city. Whether it is celebrations, cinema, arts, food or fitness, we make sure that you are informed about everything that is au courant. Before we move further, I would like to take this opportunity and wish you all a very happy Indian Independence Day. And on this special occasion, we have a very special message from our Honorable Consul General in Dubai, Dr. Aman Puri. Let's check it out.
Namaskar. On the auspicious occasion of the 75th Independence Day of India, I extend my warm greetings to all my Indian brothers and sisters and all friends of India living in the UAE. It is a time for us to remember the contributions of our freedom fighters and our national leaders who have sacrificed to enable us to live in a free country. We also recommit ourselves to continue working on the transformation and the growth story of incredible India. We will be celebrating India at 75, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, through a series of cultural events and digital initiatives which will be celebrating India's people, art and heritage, its achievements over the last 75 years, and its vision for the future. I invite all of you to participate actively with the consulate in all these events. I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate the Indian community of the UAE who have made immense contributions in the economic transformation of the UAE, of India, and have been a pillar of strength and resilience for the UAE-India relationship. Thank you so much, and once again, I wish you all the very best on the 75th Independence Day of India. Namaskar. Jai Hind.
We got a chance to meet Manoj Bajpayee, the man who has won 3 national awards for his acting prowess and is hands down one of the finest actors we have in the Indian film industry. He is all set to make his presence felt in Renzel de Silva's Dial 100, which is currently streaming on ZEE5. Let us know more about the film from the man himself. Welcome, Manoj. It's so good to have you here. How are you? How's everything?
All good, all good. I just hope that you guys are staying safe and doing well.
Yes, we are. We hope you are staying safe as well. So we're very excited for Dial 100. I've seen the trailer and it looks like a great movie. Tell us more about your character, Nikhil.
Okay, Nikhil Sood is he works in an emergency call center. He's a regular middle class guy. He's a regular middle class ambition. He's also somebody who is not ready to take the responsibility of the household. He finds his wife quite nagging. He doesn't care how she's managing the house or how she's and what all problems she's having with their son. And one phone call in his emergency call center, it questions everything about him. It questions everything that he is and how in one night his life changes. Drastically.
Right. So, is there any part of your character that you kind of relate to?
The whole middle class aspirations and middle class conflict. This is all of us relate to. The aspect that each and everyone has, or even if they don't have it, they never has it. They face it every day. They see it, experience it, witness it every day.
Tell me, what has been the best part for you in working for this movie? You worked with some great actors, as Neena Gupta, as Sakshi Tanwar.
Neena ji is such a force. We have been admiring her since so many years. She's done some great work in cinema and on TV. The way she led her life as an independent woman, she's been such an inspiration for all of us. It was such a privilege to be really sharing the screen space with such a great lady. And Sakshi Tanwar is somebody that I have known from her college days. I was invited to do a play for Dramatic Society, and in which I took her as the lead. Yes. So I know her since that long. I'm so proud of Sakshi's achievement.
But tell me, Manoj, you've donned the khaki in so many films. So does it sometimes feel, or do you have to do something that make sure that your previous performances don't overpower your current one, your current role?
Many people ask me this question, but they forget that the person who is wearing the uniform is different. Okay. There are thousands and thousands of police people, but that doesn't mean that all of them are similar. All of them are leading the same life. All of them have same kind of children. All of them have same problem.
Yeah.
All of them are people, and I am interested in those people. I'm interested in the person who is wearing the uniform. Duty or the job actually doesn't define them. What defines them is their life.
Is there anything in particular that excites you to take up a role?
What excites me is how new is the story. How new is the storytelling? How new is the character, that I'm getting to play? What I can bring on what new I can bring on the table? Sometimes the script is good, character is good, but I know that I will not be getting anything new on the table. I don't do it. So if it is something really good, it will give me a chance to bring something new on the table. And it is a different kind of a storytelling. I just go and be part of.
Manoj, you've been hitting gold on OTT one after another with all the series, all the different characters that you've played. You think OTT has been a game changer?
OTT has been a game changer everywhere. It has been a game changer in US, in India, definitely in this 3-4 years. It has gained so much strength. Also, it has gained a tremendous strength. Because of the lockdown, this was the only platform where people could really forget about everything that was happening outside. It has entertained them and engaged them with new stories, new performances, new work, and now it is become the essential part of people's life.
Yeah. All right, nice. Final question for you. I really wanted to ask you that. Is Manoj the actor also Manoj the singer or Manoj the rapper?
Don't take my rapper seriously.
It was quite good.
That was... No, I just enjoyed myself. It was something that was done in the lockdown. We were actually desperate to get out and do something. And this is what we've done. And it was also a tribute to all those working class people.
You should consider doing that more often. We'd love to see you in that avatar.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Manoj, for talking to us. It's been a pleasure. I wish this could go on longer, but I understand you are running late. We wish you all the very best for the movie. Dial 100 is looking great, and we are very, very excited to watch it.
Please watch it and send in your opinion. Okay.
Thank you so much. Take care.
Thank you.
We'll take a tiny little break now. See you on the other side. Welcome back. Talking about freedom, how awesome would it be if we could break away from the clutches of unhealthy food options and switch to nutritionally balanced and healthy food? Well, we can always make a start from today and learn how Chef Deepti pays an ode to the Indian tricolor with some healthy food recipes in Pinch of Health.
Hello viewers, welcome to Pinch of Health. I'm your chef, Deepti Pai. As we're celebrating our Independence Day, I thought of making something which is inspired by the tricolor. This dish is called sourdough avocado toast. Let's check out the ingredients. Sourdough bread, avocados, onions, tomatoes, lemon, cherry tomatoes, egg, spinach, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Let's get started. So for this recipe, I'm going to be using my mortar and pestle to make the guacamole with avocados. So first, in this, I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil because this is the tip to make a very smooth guacamole. Then I'm going to scoop out these avocados. And I'm going to just mash them. Avocados are very rich in healthy fats. So there you go, that's how I mash it. And now, I don't want to make a paste of it because I like the texture when you can bite a little bit of avocados. And now I'm going to add just a tablespoon of onions. Remember not to add more of onions because you don't want the taste of avocados to disappear and just a tablespoon of tomatoes as well. Just gonna mix this using the spoon. To this, I'm gonna add salt to taste, some pepper, say about 2 pinches, and a squeeze of lime. Gonna mix this thoroughly. And my guacamole is ready. You can use this as a dip for your chips or nachos, but today I'm gonna be using it on my sourdough bread. I'm gonna take 3 slices of this, and now I'm gonna top this with the guacamole. So now you see, this is why I don't like to make it very creamy, because you can see here the crunchiness with each bite, you're gonna get it. So normally you can enjoy these just like that, but today, since I told you I'm gonna make a dish which is inspired by the tricolor, I'm gonna use orange cherry tomatoes, egg whites, and spinach for garnishing these 3. Let's do that. First, I'm gonna slice these. So now that we are done with the orange, for the white, I'm going to be using the egg whites only. That's it. So I'll only be using the egg whites today. Just going to chop it. And you're going to garnish this on this toast. So for the third garnish, I'm going to be using these baby spinach. So before I do that, I'm going to wilt them just a little bit. A little bit of oil to this. So now that the oil is heated, let's just add our spinach. This is done. I'm going to move it onto the last toast. And now I'm going to add a little bit of chili flakes on top to add a heat to it. My sourdough avocado toast that is inspired by the tricolor is ready. Since our main course was inspired by the tricolor, I thought for today's drink, why not make something which is inspired by the tricolor as well? Here are the ingredients that you will require: carrot, low-fat Greek yogurt, banana, avocado, honey, milk, vanilla essence, and water. Now since this drink has 3 colors, I'll be making it in 3 different layers. So for the first layer, I'm going to be using carrots, water, and honey. In a blender, add about a cup of carrots, 1 tablespoon of honey, and water. And now we're just going to blend it together. Transfer this into a bowl. First layer is ready. For the second, I'm going to be using low-fat Greek yogurt, banana, vanilla essence, and honey. Transfer 1 bowl of Greek yogurt into the blender, banana, a tablespoon of honey, a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Blend this in together. So our second layer, which is banana Greek yogurt smoothie, is ready as well. I'm going to transfer this into another bowl. Time for the third layer, for which I'm going to use avocado, honey, and milk. So I've scooped out a whole avocado here, 100 ml of milk, and a tablespoon of honey. And let's blend this together. Our third layer is ready. Now let's get to layering the drink. First, I'm going to add the avocado smoothie. Now let's add the second layer, which is banana Greek yogurt smoothie. You have to be very careful when you do this because you don't want both the layers to mix. Now we have to carefully add the third layer. Just gonna put on my straw in. My very pretty tricolor smoothie is now ready. My tricolor inspired dish and drink is ready. I hope you guys give this a try at home. I will be back next week with more healthy recipes. Until then, keep watching Zee Connect. I wish all my viewers a very happy Indian Independence Day. Let's take a quick recap. For the sourdough avocado toast, drizzle some drops of olive oil in the pestle. Scoop out the avocado and mash it. Add 1 tablespoon chopped onions, 1 tablespoon chopped tomatoes, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 pinches of pepper, and a squeeze of lemon. Give it a quick mix. Layer the sourdough bread with guacamole. Place some sliced orange cherry tomatoes on the first toast. Layer the egg slices and place them on the middle toast. For the green color, wilt a few leaves of spinach and place it on the third toast. Sprinkle some red chili flakes to give it a spicy flavor. For the tricolor smoothie, in a jar add 1 cup carrots, 1 tablespoon honey, some water and blend it for the saffron layer. Transfer the carrot smoothie to a bowl. Use 1 cup Greek yogurt, 1 banana, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, and 1 tablespoon honey for the white layer. Blend these together and transfer it to the bowl. For the green layer, we are going to use 1 avocado, 100 ml milk, and 1 tablespoon honey. Blend it and transfer to a bowl. Layer the drink one by one with all the 3 colors and serve it cold.
Time for a quick break now, but right after we are taking you to witness a captivating performance exuding the spirit of patriotism right after. Stay with us. Welcome back. Indian independence celebrations are not just limited to India, but are celebrated by Indians across the globe with equal fervor. And in harmony with this spirit, here is one phenomenal performance by the Gurukul girls to mark the special occasion in Dubai.
लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना
अब जा ये केसरी रंग सजाया है। है मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए 100 दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे। मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
That's all we have for you in the Independence Day special episode, but we are going to be back in the upcoming week with a lot more. Until then, do keep writing to us on our social media handles. Take care, stay safe. This is me, Priya, signing off. Jai Hind.